Hello, today I'm going to be going over ice core measuring and graphing. Talks a little bit about it here, and then we have a little sample of a cross section of an ice core. So this is if you had taken one of the cylinders and cut down the middle of the cylinder, opened it up. These are the different layers. And what we have here, it starts with summer. The arrows are all pointing at the summers, which have a lighter color of ice and snow to them. And then the winters are the darker ones. So summer lighter, winter darker. And you can see year by year based on that. You also notice that it's not the same spacing from year to year. Some years have thicker amounts of ice because of more snow. Some years have less amount of ice because of less snow. So the first thing we want to do is, starting with year one, which is this one, and then year two, is we're going to measure how thick in millimeters each year is. So you're going to need a ruler that has millimeters. School has one for you if you need that. And you want to measure from the beginning of summer to the beginning of the next summer, like that. And that first one is 18 millimeters. The second one, I'm going from the beginning of summer to the beginning of the next summer. And that one is 19 millimeters. And you're gonna just go across doing the same thing. Remember, you're going from the beginning of one summer, and this one's harder to see, to the beginning of the next summer. That third one is 15 millimeters. So once you're done with this, then we're gonna graph it. And here's what the graph will look like. So you can pause it, and what you'll see is on the bottom, I have years. This is gonna be a bar graph. So the first bar is blank, the second bar is 1, skip a bar, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 11. These are the years. The newer years are the lower numbers, and the older years are the higher numbers. And then you have thickness in millimeters, and every line is 1 millimeter. So it goes from 0 at the bottom all the way up to 25. Okay, so you're just gonna copy my setup. Now, when you do that and you look at year one, the thickness is 18, right? So here's my year one. 18 is up here. So I make my bar, I shade this in. And then year two, if I look at year two, is 19. So for that bar, it would go up this high. And you're gonna work your way across making a bar for each of those 11 years. All right? And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.